Welcome to my refrigerator. It's a little bit messy, but you can see all the things that I've been consuming. Um, I have some uh, pizza chicken thing. Uh, I normally don't organize my fridge. I just like come and put stuff wherever they're supposed to be. Uh, this is where I put most of my breakfast stuff. I have some sausages, some cheese, some eggs, some meat that I was planning to cook 2 days ago. I haven't really cooked it. You know, you can see. Yeah, I like meat and I cook a lot of meat most of the time, and I save as much as I can when I cook them, you know. Uh, some veggies, I like veggies too. And you can see there, so this is where I normally cook my veggies. You know, that's where I normally put my veggies. Have some milk, some almond coconut milk, some more milk, some soda, the condiments, you know. And down here, I have some ice cream in the freezer. I have some more meat. I have some bottle of alcohol. Uh, I have some more alcohol and some more veggies, some more fish. You know. Yeah. We'll come back to this again because I need to throw out some stuff from the refrigerator. So some of my stress is I need to eat something. These are my stress food, like chocolate. I'm not a very big candy person, but I do have a bag that I normally preserve for just whenever I need some sugar and chocolate. Some bread that I just took out, some peanut butter and some cookies, some more stress food, you know, over here, there. And I have some other stuff like onion, garlic. I have fruits, avocados that I really like, especially with my breakfast, you know. I feel like if put the avocado on bread, spread it, tastes pretty good, you know. Yeah. All right. Over here, I have another freezer. So because I like meat so much, I normally buy them in bulk, and I've saved them. Especially, I'll go and I like goat meat, and I'll go and buy a goat meat from this not the store, but I'll drive like all the way to Fort Collins and get somewhere where they sell goat meat and purchase a whole half a goat or a whole goat, and I'll come and save some in the refrigerator, in the freezer. That's why I bought that's why I bought this other freezer, you know. Those are for me to go camping. I like camping a lot, so I normally make sure that I have the right tools, if you may call it, to go camping with. Yeah, so I have some chicken, I have some ribs, I have some stuff and that's the whole primary reason why I bought this freezer, because I wanted somewhere where uh, I could put extra meat whenever I buy them, because I never want to run out of meat. Me and my friends normally hang out on the weekends, and whenever they come, we try to barbecue, uh, cook some traditional food. It's not traditional, but just bake some food and kill, you know, collard greens. I like collard greens too. So that's the primary reason for this chest over here. Um, when you come over here, yeah, still uh, looking crazy, but it's something that I work on whenever I get a minute. I've been so busy for some time. Haven't really got a chance to try and fix everything up. Uh, that's stress releasing eye agents over there. Whenever I want to chill and chill with my friends, that's what we do. Um, we have some conflicts. They're not supposed to be here, but I'm going to move them pretty soon. I'm going to make a quick change pretty soon, and that's gonna consist of me trying to fix some of the things and arrange them the way they're supposed to do. And sometimes go to the gym. Not that much, but this is some of the stuff I try to use. You know, I like basmati rice. That's what I normally like cooking. I have two dogs, Maya and Mali. They're probably out there in the yard. Uh, some treats for them. Some coconut water. I believe in hydration all the time. I try to hydrate myself as much as I can. Oh, and we have some beer. So, this is Kenyan beer. It's a lager. That's from my country, that my family sent me. You know, drink that sometimes whenever I can. Not that much, but whenever I can. What else? Coffee, all that. And then I'm gonna come here and like this meat. I wanted to throw it away like the other day. So it's been here for some time and doesn't look that good anymore. So we're gonna toss some of that. This one, of course, this one for sure has to go. It has been here for some time. What else can I toss over here? This pizza. This pizza has been here for some time too. It was pretty nice. I like the handmade pan pizza. I think I'm gonna get rid of this too. The egg is still good, so that creates some space for the egg and the ground beef. What else do I need to toast? Oh. Yeah, but basically, this is how my fridge looks. It looks pretty messed up right now, but I can't be able to fix it right now because I'm doing some stuff. I've been doing some stuff. I've been busy. traveling and all that, but I'm looking forward to fixing the refrigerator the way it was shown on the video that was sent to us. That's about it. I like cooking. I like cooking at home. That's why I'm having so much cooked stuff in the refrigerator. That's because I like cooking, and sometimes I'll cook enough for me to carry some with me to wherever I go, even if I fly out and go to a hotel. I'd still like put some of this meat in the carry-on because it's way cheaper. It's way cheaper to make your own food at home as compared to flying and buying out and going out to eat, you know. Yeah, I encourage vegetables. Try and eat as much vegetables as you can. It's always important. And try and drink as much water as you can. I don't like sodas that much. I have a little bit, but I don't really like sodas that much. Yeah, I try to keep it simple as much as I can. Well, thank you guys. I hope you have a great day. Okay, bye bye.